extreme situations.
Thank you. Petitioner, you have 4 minutes.
Respondent agreed that, as Justice Jones just stated, we agreed that.
Oh.
Agreed that there needs to be restrictions, and you posed the question why handguns. I don't know the other just said it, but there is going to be, with the lawn, your handgun is trigger locked, it's down, the ammunition is in another place. So for your self-defense, accessing your, I can't imagine how you can get to your ammunition, undo however you trigger lock the gun, un-trigger lock it, and do whatever else you have to do to get that gun ready in time to defend yourself against your attacker.
Let me ask you a question. Traditionally, throughout the years, the Supreme Court, let's go all the way back to the that a person's home is their house. You have almost absolute right to do whatever you want in your own home, so long as it doesn't harm another person. So why then does the government have the right to go into somebody's home and dictate how they have their guns in their house?
For the safety of how they use it against another person. To control how...
Anything that would lead us to believe color would be just inappropriate.
Exactly. No, but is there anything that we have knowledge of when we register guns to Joe Schmo to say that, to predict that when someone inflicts violence or when he predicts that he's going to end up using another person? There's no way of knowing.
That somebody use a bow and arrow to defend themselves? Or a knife? I mean, so we're going to ban guns, but why not give the gun as an also option?
Take away the options and you have the chance of getting the results.
Do you be able to test to see how they will decide to use it in what situations they're going to be used? Like you said, there's some people that can use it safely, how the person will use it. How will we know that this is the person who will use it safely?
Restricting guns will eliminate whether it's not banned, whether or not putting a gun in the hand of
I think you actually look at the data again, because that's the things that come popping out of these, using the same data, both sides use the same data to argue the opposite side. Within your argument, you also mentioned prohibition and and you're using it as a way to show that the government can go back and say, you know what, we screwed that up, we need to go back and undo that. But also, it also acknowledged the fact that prohibiting something doesn't necessarily mean that it's not going to happen. In prohibition, they prohibited alcohol. Alcohol consumption did not go down. In fact, in some cases, it went up. They went back and said, okay, we're not going to do that anymore. It didn't work. Why would that not be the same case with guns? And in fact, the data shows that it went from 54 to 80%.
We won't know whether the outcome is going to be positive until we don't know whether the rebellion against the restriction.
How does DC enforce that? Because is it possible that it's causing an increase in crime? Is it because enforcement is very difficult?
Unfortunately, I think, as I said in one of the sections of our history, protected speech in the First Amendment doesn't protect you to sit in a room and yell fire.
Yeah, but can you do it if it's in your own house?
In your own house?
Can you, in your own house, is there any restriction to free speech in your own house? You know, this gun is in this person's house. I mean, so I don't.
But when another person comes in your house and is trying to, another person comes in your house and you have the right to,
yes, absolutely.
You have the right to, I lost my train of thought. Remember what the question was?
So, you know, the right to free speech is in some, so you have the right, absolute right to free speech in your own home. Why would you not have the absolute right to a gun in your own home?
Because of the safety of other people.
So speech is, you know, hurt feelings is not.
Right. It's a matter of, emotional versus resistance, basically.
Is it the right to pursue somebody's home needs?
Ask Ben Franklin, is that what we're talking about?
Yeah. All right, thank you very much. This court is now adjourned until a time in the near future to render decisions or hearing involving the arguments. The court will issue a schedule shortly.
No. I stopped it. Oh, yeah, it is.